Hi friends, welcome again to Queen's Kitchen. Hope you're all doing well. Today's recipe which I'm going to share with you is all the way from Middle East. They are falafel rolls. I'm going to make series of videos in which I'm going to share falafel rolls, tabbouleh salad, tahini and hummus. Let's go to today's recipe and start with falafel roll. They are very authentic in method of making them and very flavorful, very easy to make at the same time. Let's go to the recipe and learn how to make falafel roll today. Today we are going to make falafel rolls. For making falafels, we need overnight soaked chickpeas, 1 bowl, which I am sieving the water through. Now we will transfer these chickpeas into a food processor. And then we will add some garlic cloves, green chilies, red onion. You can use the brown onion as well. Now I will have half a bunch of coriander and half a bunch of parsley, or 1 cup each. You can also do by that as well. And I will add some salt to taste. Parsley is really important in any Middle Eastern cuisine, so make sure you add it. Now we will add cumin powder as well as coriander powder. Now we'll just grind them to a fine paste. So we are not going to add any water to it, so we have to grind it just without any water added to it. The moisture in parsley and coriander and chickpeas is enough to grind it to fine paste like this. Now we will transfer it to another bowl. And just to bind it, I'm going to add chickpea flour. And at this point you can adjust chickpea flour. I'm adding two spoons, but if you think that your paste is really runny, you can add it a little bit more. And now I have added some soda bicarb or baking soda, which will help to make falafels very soft from inside. And mix all these really well. And then we will cover it with cling wrap and leave it in a refrigerator for approximately half an hour. After half an hour, I'm taking 1 spoonful in my hands and making balls out of it like this. You can flatten it a little bit as well, and you can give any shape pretty much to it, and you will see they will nicely done into ball without breaking, and they're binding really nicely as well. And similarly make all the balls out of the paste as I'm doing, and I'm just making a little bit flatter. And in a pan, my oil is already hot, and I'm cooking them on low to medium heat. Don't make it on a high flame, otherwise they can burn out from outside, and from inside they won't cook properly. So it won't take long, 5 to 10 minutes, and flip the sides over like this and wait until it changes color to nice brown color. dark brown color. Still it's still there cooking. It will take 5-10 minutes, as I said. Now they have changed the color and they're nicely cooked from inside as well. And my falafels are all ready and fried and good to go. Before just make them half an hour before serving them, which will helpful to bind it from inside, and they're really soft from inside and crunchy from outside. That's how the falafels has to be. See, my falafels are ready to be served, and I'm going to serve them with tabbouleh salad as well as hummus. In coming videos, I'm going to share the recipe of hummus as well as tabbouleh salad with you. So stay tuned until the next videos come up. Enjoy the falafel feast. I'll see you again with another interesting recipes. Until then, bye.